Okay, so I've been looking for a way to remove my stump jumper because my blade pin broke on mine and I've got to replace it. So I made this. It works, it's great, and if you don't forget how to use it, this will do the job. So I've got a 2x4 here. That's going to simulate the stump jumper, okay? So you put these pieces here. There's 2 of these. As you can see from this video here, there's one here and there's one here, okay? So you put those there like that. Then you take this other piece right here. That's threaded, and you slide it in here. Like that. Okay. Of course, you got to make it flat enough, narrow enough that it'll fit in there. That actually works just fine. So you do that, and then you start tightening this up, and that will pull those apart. So if you don't forget how to use it, it'd be great. So there's a look at it from this angle. Okay. And then there's a look at it from this angle. It's so simple. I mean, so simple. It'll save you a ton of headache. I mean, if you've got something like this that you can pull out of your shop from scrap, there you go. So there it is. There's stump jumper removal or blade bar removal, whichever one you want to call it. Hope it helps, guys. Good luck.